Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Sutton and grateful that you're joining me this month for North Oaks News. Each month, I look forward to spending some time with you because the more we stay informed, the healthier and stronger Tangipahoa Parish becomes. Your health truly matters to us, and today's message is especially important for our community. February is American Heart Month, and for Tangipahoa Parish, this topic hits close to home. Heart disease isn't just a national concern, it's the #1 cause of death right here in Tangipahoa Parish and across Louisiana. Let's talk about what that really means for our community. 6.8% of Tangipahoa residents are currently living with heart disease, a rate higher than the national average. With a population of about 140,000 people, that means that more than 9,500 of our Tangipahoa Parish neighbors, co-workers, and family members and friends are affected. And while those numbers may feel heavy, they're actually a call to action because 50% of your risk of heart disease comes from your genetics, but the other 50% is in your control. Understanding your family's history, knowing your numbers, and making small, consistent lifestyle changes can dramatically reduce your risk. To help us get started, we've put together trusted resources and practical tips tailored for our community. Visit our website for more information. And don't forget, National Wear Red Day is Friday, February 6th. Wear red with us to raise awareness about heart disease, especially its significant impact on women. And speaking of women, Magnolia Obstetrics and Gynecology continues to be one of the most trusted teams providing care to women throughout our parish. We know that meeting multiple provider types, such as nurse practitioners, physician assistants, midwives, and physicians, can sometimes leave you wondering who handles what. To make your experience clearer and empowering, we created an easy-to-follow guide explaining the role of each provider in your care team. Visit our website for more information. And we're incredibly proud to share that North Oaks Medical Center has once again been named high-performing in maternity care and a maternity care access hospital by U.S. News and World Report for the second year in a row. This recognition reflects the outstanding care our teams deliver each and every day. Learn more about what this means for expecting families in Tangipahoa Parish by visiting our website. And at North Oaks, accessibility is a priority, especially when it comes to high-demand specialties. That's why we're adding new nurse practitioners to both our neurology and pain management clinics. In neurology, we are pleased to welcome Caleb Erickson and Celine J. Ha. In pain management, we're excited to introduce Megan Bellasawa. This expansion means shorter wait times, more appointment availability, and faster access to the care you need right here at home, because quality care shouldn't require long drives or long waits. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to Community, our digital magazine for inspiring stories and updates that keep us connected. As always, our mission at North Oaks is more than words, it's our promise. Improving lives every time, every touch. That means being here for you not only when you're sick, but as you work toward living your healthiest, fullest life. Your well-being is at the heart of everything we do. Thank you for trusting us with your care, and thank you for being such an important part of our North Oaks family. Until next month, take care of yourself and take care of each other.